The beautiful weather's coming, but you knew that, didn't you? That's why you're ready, or perhaps just a click away from it, because nothing feels more luxurious than being on top of things, than knowing that when the proper balmy, bright spring days hit, all you need to do is slide right into that silky, crystal clear water. No frantic prep, no stressful cleaning, no last minute buys, no waiting by the mailbox staring wistfully at your pool until your new cordless cleaner arrives, or your heat pump gets fixed, or the pool cover's replaced. Because you've already done it all, so you and your family can soak up every second of the glorious weather. What a luxury it is to enjoy the quiet pride of being the one who's ready. And it could all be yours in a few clicks, if you haven't already claimed it. Just visit poolandSpaWarehouse.com.au and use the code READY for 10% off store-wide, plus free shipping. Then simply sit back and soak up the smugness. The glorious weather's coming, and you're already ready for it.